Hello friends, let us learn some phrasal verbs in this video. Run after. We use run after phrasal verb when we chase someone. When someone is chased, we can use run after. We run after them. And next one is run away. So if you escape from someone, this phrasal verb is used. Run away from that person. And the next one is speed up. If you want to go fast or faster, we can use the phrasal verb speed up. If you want to make it slow, you can use that phrasal verb slow down. Speed up, slow down. Both are opposites completely. And next one is check in, check out. Check in is something when you enter into a hotel. Check in phrasal verb is used. When you come out of that hotel, you don't stay there, you come out there, and check out phrasal verb is used. Friends, I think you learned these 6 phrasal verbs which you can use in your sentences meaningfully and make better sentences. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe for more useful content related to spoken English in the upcoming videos. Thank you very much.